My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope that by the grace of Almighty Allah, all of you are fine and safe. Welcome to our online class. This is the sixth lecture of Home Science. I am Hasina Afroz, Assistant Professor of Milestone College, Department of Home Science. Again, present with the Home Science class as before for you. Today, our lecture on chapter 12. The chapter name is Meal Planning and Disciplined Living. In the last session, I discussed in the same chapter lesson 1 and 3. Today, I will discuss lesson 2 diabetes, lesson 4 high blood pressure. From these lessons, you can know what type of disease is diabetes, cause of diabetes, ways of controlling diabetes, diet for diabetes patients. You can know about high blood pressure, cause of high blood pressure, diet of high blood pressure patients. Let's start the details. Dear students, get ready with your book and pen. What type of disease is diabetes? Diabetes is a chronic metabolic disorder. Diabetes is neither a communicable disease nor fully curable. Anyone at any age can be affected by diabetes. When body lacks a hormone named insulin, and this insufficiency, the amount of glucose increases in the bloodstream and diabetes can occur. Cause of diabetes. Genetic factors contribute if the patient's one of the parents or any close relatives suffer from diabetes. Overweight is a factor in diabetes. Reluctance to physical work or exercise leads to diabetes. That means who does not do any physical activities, they might affected by diabetes. Unruly lifestyle develops diabetes. Ways of controlling diabetes. There are 4 important rules to be followed while controlling diabetes. Proper diet, physical workouts, medicines, learning about the disease. Diabetes cannot be fully cured, but it can be kept under control by these ways. Discipline must be maintained in every step of the above mentioned rules. Diet in diabetes. Blood glucose level increases in diabetes. This glucose comes from food. For this reason, rules in food intake should be maintained strictly. There are no changes in demands of nutrients before or after diabetes occurs, but following a planned diet can help to control diabetes and keep the body fit. Rules of choosing foods. There are some foods can be taken as desserts. Fibrous foods do not increase glucose in blood. Thus, these can be taken as much as one desires. Spinach, vegetables like bitter gourd, cucumber, cabbage, lady's finger, and fruits like green mango, pumpkin, tomato, berry, lemon, etc. can be taken in large amounts. Must be taken in limited amount. Some foods increase glucose level in blood slowly. If these foods were taken in larger amounts, they could negatively affect blood sugar level. So, these foods must be taken in limited amount. These include rice, breads, puffed rice, biscuits, milk, sweet potatoes, cheese, meat, fish, etc. Sweet fruits, banana, ripe mango, ripe papaya, etc. These do not increase the blood sugar level first. There are some foods to be omitted. Sugar, soft drinks, sweet meats, juice, pastries, cakes increase blood glucose level first, and for this reason this food must be omitted from the diet of diabetic patients. Weight must be reduced to normal if overweight. Normal weight is preferable to underweight. Preferred normal weight should be maintained for all time. There must be a specific time for meals, and the amounts of foods must also be specific. Skipping meal is harmful, and at the same time overeating at one meal and eating less at the next meal is also harmful to health. Thus we can say that diabetes is mostly controlled by disciplined food intake. Then physical works or exercise. Physical works or exercises hold a very important role in controlling diabetes. Medicine. All diabetic patients need to follow a controlled diet, physical exercise and discipline. But in severe case, diabetic patients must take medicines or insulin. A diabetic patient should continue his regular diet, physical exercise, along with prescribed oral medicines or insulin. Medicines alone cannot control diabetes, and moreover it can bring risk for life. Then learning about disease. It is very important for diabetic patients. Being curable diabetes is a disease which remains for the whole life. For this reason, learning about the disease by the patients and their relatives are of foremost importance. There are no alternatives for that. Some discipline is following by diabetic patients. The most important things in the life of a diabetic patient is his disciplined living. One must follow the chart to establish discipline in his life. Doing physical works or exercise regularly, following doctor's advice while taking oral medicine or insulin, taking regular and good care of legs, keeping clean in every day, controlling the treatment for diabetes, checking the blood sugar level regularly and keeping a record of it. taking advices from doctor during any critical physical occurrence. Then lesson 4, high blood pressure. High blood pressure is also chronic metabolic disorder. High blood pressure is commonly known as hypertension. In disciplined life, genetic factors, overweight, metabolic disorder, etc. cause of hypertension. Medicine along with a balanced diet and regular physical exercise can help control hypertension. The most important thing is disciplined living when affected by high blood pressure. The following are very important for a disciplined life. Doing physical works or exercise regularly, measuring blood pressure regularly, sleeping 6 to 8 hours, following a specific time for going to bed and waking up from bed, taking advice from the doctor during any critical physical occurrence, having a regular balanced diet in limited amount, and follow the rules related to foods. Students, see the causes of high blood pressure. There are some causes of high blood pressure. These are genetic factors, indisciplined life, overweight, metabolic disorder. Planning diet in hypertension or high blood pressure. Fibrous food like spinach, vegetables, etc., lemon, orange must be included in diet. Coconut water is effective in hypertension. Dear students, underline this sentence in your book. It is a knowledge-based question also. Skim milk and yogurt is good for high blood pressure. The sentence is also underlined. Excess of calories should not be taken. Dear students, look, there are some foods which should be omitted by high blood pressure patients. Salt and salad dressing should be omitted from salad. Soft drinks, energy drinks, dark coffee, etc. are omitted. Bakery food also omitted. Dalda, ghee, butter, this also omitted. Living a normal healthy life is possible if blood pressure is controlled. When blood pressure exceeds kidney failure, brain stroke, risk of heart disease and other physical complex become common occurrence. These are your homework today. What type of disease is diabetes? Explain the cause of diabetes. How can we control diabetes? What is diet for diabetics patients? Cause of high blood pressure. Describe the diet of high blood pressure patients. Dear students, this question is only for learn. No need to write. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.